Hey everyone, I am back. In this short video, we are going to learn about Whittaker 5 kingdom classification of organism. Living organisms are very diverse. There are so many organisms and it was necessary to classify them in different categories based on their characteristics. From the time of Aristotle, living organisms were categorized into two categories like plants and animals. Finally, during the binomial nomenclature, Carolus Linnaeus in 1935 finally established the taxonomical ranks at the highest level. Linnaeus also divided all living organisms into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Then in 1866, Ernst Haeckel created another kingdom that is called Protista. As in earlier, cellular microbes used to thought either plant or animal because it's motile like animal, and some microbes having a cell wall and are photosynthetic in nature like plants. So another two groups of prokaryotes discovered, bacteria and archaea. And after that, protista and fungi also divided into three kingdoms, and more than three kingdoms was necessary to fall them into. These all observations led to the development of five kingdom classification. Finally, in 1969, scientist Whittaker proposed five kingdom classification. Those five kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animal and Plantae. Now we are going to see about each kingdoms. So, first kingdom is Monera. It consists of all prokaryotes including eubacteria, that is true bacteria, cyanobacteria and archaea. They are unicellular, lack true nuclei and reproduced by binary fission. Second kingdom is Protista. Protista is very diverse group and having fewer kind of organism defined by Haeckel. They are eukaryotic, unicellular and form colonies. They contains true nucleus and other organelles. Now it's the third kingdom, the fungi, contains both micro and macro varieties. Kingdom fungi is ubiquitous and having cosmopolitan distribution in nature, composed of mostly multicellular but also contains some unicellular yeast. There are some types of fungi, yeast, mold, mushroom, polypores, pupables, rust, smarts, etc. They reproduce by both sexually and asexually. They are saprophytic also. Fourth kingdom, Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is also a very diverse group which contains from ticks, mites, lice, fleas like arthropods to worms to human and other animals. Some ticks, mites and worms are parasites live on inside of human or other animals. They all are multicellular, having true nucleus, contain genetic information passed from one generation to another and all reproduced bisexually. Last kingdom, Plantae. Plants having unique characteristics, they are autotrophic and can produce food by themselves in the process called photosynthesis with the help of sunlight. Varieties of plant species found in nature made the fauna of nature. It helps in maintaining the ecosystem. Now the question is why the five kingdom classification is no longer accepted by taxonomists and microbiologists and other biologists. What was the problem? Because the five kingdoms have been recognized into three domains currently, a new category even higher than the kingdom. Before taxonomists turned their attention to microorganisms, the two kingdom system of plant and animals worked reasonably well. However, the five kingdom classification is no longer accepted by microbiologists. This is because the prokaryotes are too diverse to be grouped together in a single kingdom. Later, it was discovered that there were two varieties of different group of organisms with prokaryotic cell morphology, bacteria and archaea, among eukaryotic microbes studied so that Protista is not cohesive taxonomic unit and that is should be divided into three or more kingdoms. These studies and other led taxonomists and microbiologists to reject the five kingdom classification. And also another reason can be the DNA and RNA was discovered at the late 20th century, and after that many things changed. And that's all. Thank you.